AGRIVI on mobile applications. AGRIVI farm management software can be used via native mobile applications for Android and iOS devices that can be downloaded from Play Store or iOS App Store. Mobile applications are the extension of the web application, and they can be used for specific actions only. For that reason, prior using mobile application, first you need to do the initial account setup on your AGRIVI account on web application. This is related to setup of all your resources such as people, machinery, and field registry and inventory, creation of crop products with seasons, and setup of general account data. After setting up all initial data on web application, you can start using mobile application for the following activities: registering all field activities and input usage, registering scouting with geotagging, check for alarms and notifications, fields overview, weather information per field, inventory stock level overview, upload documents and photos, registering sales and expenses. If you are on the location without the access to the internet, you can still use AGRIVI mobile applications because they work on offline mode too, allowing the access to field activities recording. That means you are able to register all usages of work hours and all farm inputs from the field when offline. At the moment you reach internet connection again, all the data will sync automatically to your web application account.